My name is Gary Garn. I'm a certified orientation and mobility specialist for the blind, and I've been doing that for 25 years. An orientation and mobility specialist is a person who assesses and then trains blind people and how to navigate gracefully and safely and with independence and through their environments, be it indoor environments, outdoor environments, familiar or unfamiliar environments. Just getting from point A to point B using the technology. Nowadays at GPS, it's not like it was 30 years ago or 25 years ago. And doing the orientation and mobility assessment to see where they're at, and then working with them, perhaps using a mobility cane, a long cane, training them on the appropriate usage of it, training them on soliciting assistance, teaching them to cross streets, help the person familiarize them with the area, showing them where there's the best places to cross the streets. There's more than one way to get to a place, so alternate ways. It all depends on the person's level of independence. Some people need more training than others. And teaching of the blind, if you're interested in it, go for it.